Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add schema markup on Wix. So first is head over to wix.com and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, click on Edit Site. From your editor page, in the left panel, click on Pages and Menu. Then click on Site Menu. Now just choose from the following in which you want to add the schema. So say for example, we want to add it at home. Beside home, click on the three dot icon, then click on SEO Basics. Next, we're going to switch to Advanced SEO, then click on Structured Data Markup. So you can choose from the existing markups, but you can also add new markup. So if you want to add, click on Add New Markup, and we're just going to name this Home. Then next is paste in your markup in JSON LD format here. And once done, click on the apply button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!